In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy diet is more important than ever. For women with Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, it becomes even more crucial. To help you start your day on the right note, we have curated 5 wholesome breakfast recipes specifically designed for women with PCOS. Let's dive in and discover these delicious and nutritious options. First up, we have the Superfood Smoothie Bowl. Packed with essential nutrients like antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. This bowl supports overall health and hormone balance, which is particularly important for women with PCOS. Combination of leafy greens, berries and flax seeds in this recipe provides a powerful dose of antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and support hormone regulation. Next, try the protein-packed Quinoa breakfast bowl. With its high protein content, quinoa helps stabilize blood sugar levels and promotes satiety, which can be beneficial for managing insulin resistance associated with PCOS. Along with quinoa, this bowl is loaded with colorful vegetables that provide essential vitamins, minerals and fiber, supporting healthy digestion and overall well-being. For those following a gluten-free diet, we have gluten-free oatmeal pancakes. Made with gluten-free oats, these pancakes are not only delicious but also a great source of soluble fiber. Fiber plays a crucial role in managing PCOS symptoms by aiding digestion, regulating blood sugar levels and promoting a feeling of fullness. Topped with fresh fruits, these pancakes offer an additional dose of vitamins and antioxidants. If you are in the mood of something savory, look no further than the Nutty avocado toast. Avocados are a fantastic source of healthy fats, including monounsaturated fats. These fats help regulate hormone production, reduce inflammation, and support a healthy menstrual cycle. Topped with nutrient-dense nuts like almonds or walnuts, this toast provides additional omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which are beneficial for women with PCOS. And finally, we have a berry yogurt parfait, a refreshing and colorful delight. Greek yogurt, the star of this parfait, is a fantastic source of protein and probiotics. Protein helps stabilize blood sugar levels and promotes satiety, while probiotics support a healthy gut microbiome, which can influence hormone regulation. Topped with antioxidant-rich berries, this parfait offers a burst of vitamins and minerals, supporting your overall health. These 5 wholesome breakfast recipes are not only delicious but also tailored to support women with PCOS. By incorporating them into your morning routine, you can take a step towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and consultation with your healthcare provider are a key to managing PCOS effectively. So start your day on a positive note with these nourishing recipes. Enjoy the benefits of antioxidant-rich ingredients, fiber, healthy fats, and protein that support hormone regulation, blood sugar management, and overall well-being. Stay tuned for more healthy and delicious options to keep you motivated on your wellness journey. Bon appetit! And may your mornings be filled with energy and vitality.